What is phonetics? Phonetics is the study of the sounds of language. It is a system of symbols used to show the pronunciation of words. In this program, we are going to know how to read the transcription of any word, which means how to read any word in the dictionary between slashes. The English letters are divided into consonants and vowels. First, consonants. What is the meaning of a consonant? A consonant is a letter of the alphabet that represents a speech sound produced by a particular or complete obstruction of the air stream. There are 24 different consonant sounds in the English language, which are b, but, b, cap, d, do, d, bad, f, fun, f, if, g, get, g, bag, h, he, h, ahead, j, joke, j, bridge, k, cut, k, back, l, low, l, pull, m, make, m, jam, n, no, n, fun, p, pin, p, cup, r, rock, r, car, s, say, s, miss, t, to, t, sat, v, vote, v, save, w, work, w, away, y, yet, y, pay, z, zoo, z, is, j, pleasure, j, beige, ch, chip, ch, catch, ng, sing, ng, ring, sh, shop, sh, wish, th, thick, th, math, th, the, th, bathe,